Let's start by understanding how to set up your Excel or CSV sheet for a correct import in KatanaPIM. In this example, the first row simply explains the format for each column. However, this doesn't have to be included in your sheet. Instead, your first row should contain the fields you want to map, just like our second row here. This is crucial because KatanaPIM uses these field names to correctly map your data. For clarity, in our sample sheet, green columns represent required base fields, while yellow columns indicate optional base fields in KatanaPIM. Keep in mind that these fields must adhere to specific formats for correct mapping. Each row below the field names represents a single product. The SKU serves as a unique identifier for your product. It must be filled in and unique to ensure that the right data is imported to the correct product. Next, provide the product name and a short description in text format. The full description can be either regular text or HTML. Fill in the meta titles and meta description with text format. The published field should be marked as either true or false. Include the prices as a decimal number, with a dot as the decimal separator and without any currency symbol. In KatanaPIM, the category field is called Category Trail. To assign a product to multiple categories, use the pipe symbol. If you want to place a product in a parent category and a subcategory, you can use the symbol greater than as the separator. You can assign products to one or more specification groups by separating them with the pipe symbol. Now, let's look at how to fill in the specification fields for a correct import. In KatanaPIM, a specification can be set up as an option, multi-option, custom text, or custom HTML attribute type. How you input data in your Excel sheet depends on this setup. For an option type specification, input one option per product. With multi-option, you can assign multiple specifications to a product. For example, if the color specification attribute type is set as multi-option, separate each color with a pipe or comma in your sheet. When the attribute type is custom text, input the text as regular text. If it's set as custom HTML, make sure to input HTML formatted text in the cell. For images, place each URL in its dedicated column. Ensure they are in JPEG, PNG, or WebP format and are publicly accessible. You can also fill in the image AltTag field in a text format. And there you have it. Your product data is now prepared for import into KatanaPIM, ensuring that your catalog is kept up to date and accurate.